start the program within 5 minutes. And I'm sure you would have preferred to have a concert out here, but fortunately we are doing this, which is a better thing than a concert because you're going to learn a lot, right? All the others that are present here. Today, Honda Pakistan and Sargam are here on a mission where we need you all to help us. Pakistan, we have to make Pakistan a very green country, and Sar Sab Pakistan is not just our project, it is your project, the project of the youth, the people who are going to be the part of everything for tomorrow. So here we are, and at Atlas Honda, the basic message is this, that we believe in safety, whether it is road safety, whether it is safety from various diseases, or even safety of the environment. We have to be careful that the environment that we are living in is good and safe for us, it is healthy for us, so we have to work together for this. And it is a very good thing that an organization like Atlas Honda has joined in, and it is trying to promote these kinds of healthy activities, which I can tell you will ensure a better future for all of you. So keep your ears very open, and you should observe and see what we are teaching you, because this is going to help you throughout your lives. This is not just what you study from the books, but this is basically everything is going to be done in practical in front of you. So are you all ready for that? Yes. So could I hear that a little loud? Yes. I want everybody to be, awake in the mornings. Okay, so you all know that plants are the first link of a food chain. I'm sure you must have all studied. I'm not sitting in a classroom, but still, I'd like you to know all that. Right? Do you know about the food chains? Yes. And you know that plant is the only thing that makes its own food? Yes. Right? You cannot stand in the sunlight and feel that you can do photosynthesis. Or do you think people can go for photosynthesis? No enough? Even if you wear a green dress, even then you cannot go for photosynthesis. So it has to be a plant to make food for all of you. So that is the first link of the food chain. And then plants also save you from a lot of disaster. The first disaster that we are going through at the moment, if you look outside and if you just look at the skies, you will see smoke all around. This is due to the pollution. And plants are a very healthy thing to kind of combat pollution. So we have to grow plants for that. And then when we talk about the extreme hazards like earthquakes and everything, so we can even save our country from that as well. So we need to grow plants, and that is why we're all here. So just don't think of it as a classroom lecture and just kind of, because you don't even have to give an exam, so you won't even want to study about that. But here we are just trying to tell you that how you're going to go about it in your life. So are you all ready for it? So I would like to invite here now Mr. Taslim Shuja. He's from Atlas Honda, and he is one of the main people who has kind of been very active in this. And unfortunately, the other organizations do not feel how important this issue is. But we are very grateful to Atlas Honda that they have come forward, and they are all very passionate in making our environment a better place. So Mr. Taslim Shuja, please give him a very loud clap.
My calling name is Shuja. I'm from Atlas Honda, Manager Safety and Customer Care. Okay, I'm from Lahore. I studied half Karachi, half Lahore. So I know Karachi very well. Okay. So time is very short, or this is problem for me to give the message within less time. Okay. Okay. So today day is fixed for Green Pakistan, and it's my dream, but I don't have the expertise. So Muslim sir will tell you the Green Pakistan. But what Atlas Honda is doing since 2003, I want to show you. Okay, so you will see how we are serving the nation. Okay. Actually, I got the training from Japan 2003. I am basically a motorcycle trainer. I'm the first Pakistani to get the training and the license from Japan. But unfortunately, still we don't have the motorcycle training institute. So we are trying this year to make a traffic school in Islamabad. The achievement is If you see Lahore, have you anybody? This is a new police system. They are all my students. So we give 7,000 police free of cost training in Sahala. Okay, how to ride motorcycle safely. Then safety riding training. This is the rangers, police, and other institutions. Then rescue 1122 in Punjab. You see. Then different other organizations who buy the motorbike from Atlas Honda. We have done the training. We have a 3 type of training: 3-day training, 1-day training, and 2-hour safety lecture that we can